how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link with others. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the top right corner, click on the Google Apps icon and then select Drive. Once you're inside Google Drive, go to the top left and click New. If you have multiple videos, you can create a new folder by clicking Folder, naming it, and then opening the folder to keep everything organized. If you're just uploading a single video, you can click File Upload. Find the video you want to upload on your computer, select it, and then click Open. Wait a moment while Google Drive uploads your video. You'll see the progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. When the upload is finished, hover over the file, right-click on it. Hover over Share, and then click Share. A pop-up window will appear. If you want to keep the video private, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with. But if you'd like anyone with the link to have access, go down to General Access, click on Restricted, and change it to anyone with the link. Finally, click Copy Link. Now you can send this link to anyone, and they'll be able to watch or download your video easily. That's all for the video, and thanks for watching the video.